Subscribe to Only Innovative and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
After unboxing the printer, I started assembling my machine. Once my machine was assembled, I made all the connections and completed the electronic part. This printer consists of 5 stepper motors, an extruder, a heating bed, LCD, control board, power supply and some cooling fans. After starting my machine for the first time, I did some calibration and bed leveling tests. My first print was a 3D Benchy. It is a model to know how well is your 3D printer calibrated. After 1 hour and 8 minutes, my 3D Benchy was ready. I am happy with the print quality and material. I even tried printing different shapes, models and structures. If you are expecting some industry level print quality, then this printer is surely not suitable. But if you are a hobbyist and like making new stuff, then you should for sure give it a try. And yes, the results are amazing. So this is my new 3D printer guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like the video, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Only Innovative.